You all know how to round, so you all knew very easily that that first one rounds to 10 places. What I do is I count how many I can have and I underline. That gives me a visual reminder and I know I'm rounding based on the next number. So this is 47138.2638. I'm going to go to that place. Does that 4 round up? No, of course not. You all knew that. I think everybody got that right, yes? Yeah. Good. And then we're going to 9. So everybody probably got this one right. We have that 8. Will that 8 round up? No. Okay, good, good, good. You all know how to round. This is fantastic. So then we have going to 8 places. 47138.26. We're going to keep that 3. Does that round up? Yeah. Yes, okay, good. Like I said, you all know how to round. You know how to do this. You're all pros. Okay, so now we're coming to here. 47138.26. It doesn't change, right? Because the digit after it is... And be careful. When you're working with rounded numbers like this, go back to your original to look for whether or not something rounds up, which I think most of you are doing. Okay, fantastic. Now we're going to go to 6 places. 47138 point what? 0.3. Good. Hey, you guys are good at this. So now we're at the decimal. Some of you seem to have some sort of sense of suspense, like you're just waiting for where is the screw up. I'm right so far. I'm doing fine. I know this stuff. I know how to round, Moser. Okay, 4713. We're going to 5 significant figures. Will that 8 stay there or will it change? It stays. Good. So 3 after it. Okay. Whew. I got this. See, you thought I made mistakes. I didn't make any mistakes. 4, 7, 1. We can only have 4 sig figs now. So what's going to happen next? Okay, well that 3 has to round up, right? So let me ask you this. If I owed you through some debt I had incurred, we made a bet, I don't know what. If I owed you 47,138 chocolate chip cookies, and I gave you 4,714 chocolate chip cookies, would you be satisfied that our debt was settled? I didn't think so. We have to have a placeholder 0 there. That's the first classic mistake, is dropping that place off altogether. And then you have a very different number. So that's one classic mistake that I saw probably about a third of you made. So, in keeping with that mistake, let's go down to the next one. 4, 7, 1, and we're gonna have 3 sig figs now. So does that 1 round up? No, because there's a 3 after it. We have 2 placeholder 0s there. 47,100. Okay, if we have 2 sig figs, what are we going to have? 4, 7, will that 7 round up? No, 3 zeros. 47,000. Okay, the last one, the big money, it's all riding on this. We can only have 1 sig fig now. 1 measly sig fig. What are we going to have for that answer? 50,000. 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, if you dodged the bullet of the first classic mistake and you kept your placeholder 0s, that's good. But here's the next thing I'm going to tell you. If you did this, that's still wrong. Why? Because now those 0s are significant. And even worse, sometimes people will go ahead and just plug all the 0s that were back there in there. No! You're telling me that those are significant. You can't put a decimal after those. Because if you do that, then you're saying that those 0s are significant. Okay, so do you feel like you know how to round now? Good. I thought you could do it. Okay.
Yeah.